Hi everyone. Myself is Ven Prasad KK, Department of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Kerpete. We discussed the problems on radius of curvature in polar form and pedal form. In previous video, we already discussed the radius of curvature in Cartesian form as well as in the parametric form. This syllabus is prescribed by University of Mysore for first year BSc student. This is the given problem. Find the radius of curvature of chordioid r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Also we have to show that rho square by r is a constant. For that we take r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, we get r1, we call it as an r1 is equal to minus a sin theta. Differentiating the above equation with respect to theta, again we get r2. r2 is nothing but minus a cos theta. Now the radius of curvature, the curve in polar form is equal to rho is equal to r square plus r1 square whole power 3 by 2 whole divided by r square plus 2 r1 square minus r into r2. Now we are substituting the values of r1 and r2. We get rho is equal to, on simplification, the above equation, finally we get rho is equal to 2 by 3 into square root of 2 into AR. Now rho square by R is nothing but squaring the uh, rho, we get 8AR divided by R into 9. Therefore this is a constant. Second problem, find the radius of curvature of R into A theta. Therefore, here also first we differentiating with respect to theta, we call it as an R1. R1 is nothing but A. One more time we are differentiating R1 with respect to theta, we get R2. R2 is nothing but 0 because A is a constant. We know the radius of curvature in the polar form, that is rho is equal to r square plus r1 square whole power 3 by 2 whole divided by r square plus 2 r1 square minus r into r2. Now we are substituting the values of r1 and r2. Therefore we get a into 1 plus theta square whole power 3 by 2 whole divided by 2 plus theta square. Now the next problem is, show that at any point on the equitriangular spiral, that is r is equal to a into e power theta cot alpha, then the radius of curvature is r into cosecant alpha. The given problem is nothing but r is equal to a into e power theta into cot alpha. Differentiating with respect to theta, we get dr by d theta is equal to a into cot alpha into e power theta into cot alpha. That is nothing but we are taking, that is alpha a into e power theta into cot alpha is nothing but given r. Therefore r into a cot alpha, that is 1 by r is into dr by d theta is equal to cot alpha. Next step, r into d theta by dr is nothing but tan alpha, that is nothing but reciprocal of the above equation. We know that this we call it as an tan phi. Tan phi is equal to tan alpha. Therefore phi is equal to alpha. We know this process is nothing but we forming a pedal equation. We have P is equal to R into sine phi. This implies P is equal to R into sine alpha. This is the pedal equation of the curve. Next, P is equal to R into sine alpha. Now, we are differentiating with respect to R. We get dP by dr is equal to sine alpha. Reciprocal of this equation is dr by dP is equal to cosecant alpha. We know the radius of curvature in pedal form, that is nothing but rho is equal to R into dr by dP. We have therefore rho is equal to R into cosecant alpha. What we have to prove that. Next problem, show that the radius of curvature of the curve 1 by p square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square minus r square divided by a square into b square is given by a square plus b square minus r square whole power 3 by 2 whole divided by a by b. The given equation is in the pedal form, therefore we are differentiating both sides with respect to p. We get minus 2 by p square, that is the differentiation of 1 by p square. Next step, 1 by a square is 0, 1 by b square is also 0, that is minus r square, differentiation of r square is 2r divided by a square plus b square, that is constant, into dr by dP. Therefore, rho is equal to r into dr by dP, that is a square by b square whole divided by p cube. We call this as an equation 1. Now 1 by p cube is nothing but 1 by p square whole power 3 by 2. Therefore, we know the value of 1 by p square, that is 1 by a square plus 1 by b square minus r square divided by a square into b square whole power 3 by 2. Now from 1, rho is equal to r into dr by dP. Therefore, a square into b square whole divided by 1 by a square plus 1 by b square minus r square divided by a square into b square whole power 3 by 2. Therefore, rho is equal to, on simplifying, we are taking the LCM a square plus b square inside that bracket. Therefore, a square into b square divided by b square plus a square minus r square whole power 3 by 2. Therefore, on simplification, we get rho is equal to a square plus b square minus r square whole power 3 by 2 divided by a by b. These are the reference book. Thank you.